Mr. Alessandro Spina. Place number 17 from the Black team, Mr. Stefan Gelke.
รุ่นนี้เป็นรุ่น Master Limited ครับซึ่งมีนักแข่งเยอะที่สุดครับ18คันครับกำลังไล่ประกาศอยู่ครับ
Half a point more. Place number 7 has 394.5. Okay, so this seems to be a bit tight in this. Okay. Place number 9 goes to Starke Industry. 41 in total in the second judging as far as I guess. So place number 5 is going to the Ground Zero Team Germany, Mr. Oliver Keck. Place number 4 with the same amount of points is representing SQC Club from the Ukraine, Alexei Rikovtsev.
The end แม่งได้นะงานเลย
And then we have a little gap again. So, this family business, huh?
Yeah, the end.
Okay, place number 3 goes to the young lady. No. No Russia. Is it? Place number 3, representing B Audio and Alpha from Slovenia, Mr. Bine Zuban. Okay, so actually I guess many of you know this. These two are married, huh? So it's man and woman thing. And they compete against each other in the sound quality competition. How stupid can you be, huh? You have no other job to do or what? Okay, that's very interesting. We never had this before, by the way. You mean he's second? Unfortunately not. I'm really sorry for that to you, but the European Vice Champion representing Italy is Elena Veronica Marie from Italy. And the European Champion is Matteo Pinciaroli, also from Italy. That is really cool. Hey, let me ask you a question. Who did make your sound setup? You did by yourself? Okay, then he's supposed to be the winner. Next year, yeah. Next